So we are going hiking. Where are we at?
Hawksbill Crag.
Hawksbill Crag in
No,
Arkansas somewhere.
south of Ponca.
South of Ponca, Arkansas. Gonna see some good views. Hey, Mom. Mom. How are you making it?
Making it. What's this?
All these people carved their names into it.
It's only like 1.5 or 6 miles or something, the length of it. And I'm trying how to go back. Yeah.
We just braved the peak.
Make sure we don't get lost on the way back, because when I did my 8-hour hike, we went this way and we ended up at Kyle, not at Whitaker Point.
Well, it was scary, that's all I have to say. Didn't get very close to the edge. And there were like 5-year-olds standing on the very edge. Braver than me. Wave, guys. We trekked out here 1.7 miles. I walked out as close as I could to the edge of that peak, and now we're walking back. And it is more of a workout than you'd think it would be. But it is very beautiful. Well, guys, I just wanted to say thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed all of the beautiful scenery. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.